Alright, we are in the Intercom speaker and ceiling fan tour at Lowe's number 8. So this one is the first one in the state of New Jersey. So we're going to check in what is inside here. So let's go for it. Alright, so like most Lowe's, this one has the SD72WVs in here. Now we're going to check out the garden center. See what's in here. Okay, so I see what is so that's somebody's portable speaker, but this one has the Atlas AP15TUCs in here. This one, of course, not having any music activated. Now I have one of these horns in my collection, and they do sound decent. Yeah, there's a logo right there, matter of fact. Okay, there's another one pointed upwards. So there's 3 of these, as far as I can see. There's the other one. Hopefully I could catch a page here. This is the interior transit. Alright, so there's the second one. That one looks gross. The badge, at least. There's a lot of burpees, seemingly. Actually, there might be more horn speakers in the back. This is the third one. If I could catch any paging going on so far. It's very quiet in here. Nothing yet. Let's see up here. Okay, there's the 4th one. This is the 4th one. It seems that the outside portion is spray painted and the inside they just left it. You can still see the badge there. It's blue. Very interesting. Let's see more around here. There's a small airport nearby, apparently. So you've been hearing planes coming in and out. These are a bunch of private jets, though. Newark Airport's all the way down there. Let's see what else we got. Okay, there's another right there. So I'm guessing 5 of these. Yeah, because that one over there is the 4th one. 5th one is right there. The 6th one, I don't know. I don't know if there's a 6th one. Unless I missed it. This is the only one that's actually fully spray painted. This is pretty much how I spray painted the Lucent before sending it off. And this is pretty much what Home Depot does as well. Alright, we got more SD72WVs here. Yeah. The interesting thing about Lowe's is that they use 4J backhands with these speakers. Yeah, pretty much your average typical installations. Whether they replace a speaker here and there, I don't think so. Even their storage area has SD72Ws. Alright, one thing I noticed, now this thing is pretty much being held by the cables. This is very dangerous and it's going to fall at some point. Yeah, that is completely detached from the beams. I don't think zip ties is enough because at some point that will snap off. A ceiling fan aisles up ahead. I think with the Lowe's in my areas, that most of them opened in the 2000s. Ooh, like mid 2000s specifically. That's why you don't really see much variety here. Compared to this one Lowe's in Yonkers, of course, which has entire system fully activated, even in the garden center. That was the only store I ever saw different speakers. All of these pretty much are the same. Alright, so here's the ceiling fan aisle. Nothing much different. Pretty much looks the same here. Yeah. Going to check out the garden center again and see if I can catch paging.
Can I please have any outside garden associates, the outside garden registers, outside garden associates, the outside garden registers?
Alright, I just missed the paging. It beat me. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna stop, so let's go outside real quick. Hey, by the way, that was the announcement.
And coming to the front for your return, an associate from flooring, lumber, and plumbing to the front for your return.
I was about to miss that, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if I can catch more.
Assistance. Someone from home decor to aisle 5 for customer assistance.
Alright, that was the second page. So that might be it, so I'll see you guys outside now.
Attention all those associates, we have an associate from flooring to the flooring deck for customer assistance. Any available associates from flooring to the flooring deck, please.
Oh, there we go, we got a second paging. So, alright, so that pretty much will end the video, so I'll see you guys outside now. So yeah, that's everything in this Lowe's. So that'll be it for this video. So that's the Intercom speaker and ceiling fan tours at Lowe's number 8.